local authorities has issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties. Santa Monica, CA, effective until 4:09 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 2:07 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an unfortunate event is ongoing. NASA have reported that the sun in our solar system has started to release a solar flare, and it will most likely impact Earth within 5 days. This is not 100% sure if the solar flare is harmful to all life on the planet, but all residents must shelter in place. Close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers, and seal any cracks on doors with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. If you are outside, get into a hiding or a shaded area to prevent yourself from getting sunburned. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the National Weather Service are dealing with this situation. Continue to broadcast media outlets for more information about this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Department of Public Health and the United States Department of Health and Human Services. Unfortunate index values are causing people to suffer from fifth-degree burns. This means that the skin, bones, and muscles sustain severe damage. Hospitals are filling up with patients who have the experience of intense heat or sunburn, and they will no longer accept any patients. All personnel must stay indoors at this time. Do not go outside, as you might putting your life in extreme risk. Head into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building with no windows. If you are heading outside, wear several layers of clothes to prevent yourself from getting sunburned, or put on sunscreen. Stay tuned for further updates.
Guys, come over here now.
What now?
What is it?
Something's wrong with the sun.
What do you mean by that?
If you see here, you can see that the sun is preparing for a solar storm.
How is this even possible?
Well, it's probably due to the space weather affecting the sun.
That's not good.
Guys, I have an update.
What is the update?
Tell us.
You're not gonna believe this, but the sun is preparing to release a solar storm, but stronger.
Oh, damn.
Guys, I really hate to say this, but this solar storm will become more powerful and it will end all life on Earth.
Oh, no.
What should we do?
I probably need to tell the United States government about this.
Well, what are you waiting for? Do it.
Alright, I'm telling him right away.
Remember the words you told me, love me till the day I die. Surrender my everything, cause you made me believe you're mine. Yeah, you used to call me baby, now you're calling me by name. Takes one to know one, yeah, you beat me at my own damn game. You pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I giving you take. Young blood, say you want me, out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it, all of the time, yeah. Young blood, say you want me, back in your life, so I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. 'Cause I need it, yeah, I need it, all of the time, yeah. Lately our conversations end like it's the last goodbye. Yeah, one of us gets too drunk and calls about 100 times. So who you been calling, baby? No nobody could take my place.
We're sorry for interrupting your daily routine, but we just reported that a national emergency is imminent for all countries of the world. Please pay very close attention to the following instructions that you are about to hear.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important information will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
This message is being authorized at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeating. This is not a test. Repeating for once. This is not a test. May I say it one more time? This is not a test. Please pay very close attention to this alert as it pertains to an ongoing emergency. At around 6:09 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, NASA has calculated that the solar storm was set to strike Earth within 6 hours. The cause of this event was due to the sun's wave of solar flares. Almost 95% chance that the sun's flare will most likely burn up the Earth. In addition to this event, many reports have stated that people have started to burn by the sun's radiation and started to peel their flesh off from their bodies. Unfortunately, NASA has made some targeting about the situation. It has been confirmed that there will be no way to stop the situation from escalating any further. Once the solar flare impacts Earth, huge massive firestorm will occur across the entire planet. The oceans will either evaporate or sink into ashes. Temperatures will rise up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, turning the Earth to an infernal hell, and the sun will be permanently blocked for approximately 1 year. There is no way to survive a catastrophic event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. At this time, I advise all Americans and the rest of the world to do the following. Gather as many people you know, including your family members, friends, loved ones, children, pets, or anything that makes you comfortable and await certain death. If you're part of religious, pray to your God and Yahshua and repent. The President has selected a quote from the Bible to be played over the emergency alert system. Corinthians 5:6-8. Therefore, we have always convicted knowing that, whilst we are at home in the body, we are absent from the Lord. But we walk by faith, not by sight. We are convinced, I say, and rather to be absent from the body and to be present with the Lord. The station will now sign off for the final time with one last playing of our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude our final activation of the emergency alert system. God bless and goodbye.
This concludes our message of the emergency alert system. We will now sign off for the final time with one last playing of our national anthem. May God bless us all.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly
head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sun.